This look is all about being on point. It is using intense winged liners, minimalistic eyeshadow, and absolutely any kind of lipstick. To start off, we will use the Master Primer from Wow Beauty Forward. This is a super smoothing primer. It helps improve the texture of your skin and preps you for the rest of the look. You can use a brush or you can use your fingers to evenly spread out the primer. Next is foundation. Using the Flawless Light Foundation from Wow Beauty Forward, here we've used the light vanilla color. Using a stippling brush, apply the foundation along your face. This gives you a medium coverage. This will also keep the integrity of your skin. Seal the look with the Master Finish Matte Setting Powder in Banana Split. This will help you avoid shine, crease, and any movement of your foundation. Lightly tap your face with a brush along your face, your cheekbones, your forehead, and your chin. Using the eyeliner, Pure Ink from Wow Beauty Forward, create a very elaborate graphic line starting from the outer corner of the eye and slowly drag it to the tail of the eyebrows. With this look, we've kept the focal point on the eyes. In doing so, we recommend using a subtle color for your lips. So we here have used the Lip Stuck Sugar Tan from Wow Beauty Forward. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this look. Make sure to also subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these amazing videos. See you next time!